Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. And yes, I have a huge warning for everyone in Bitcoin and crypto right now. When I say huge warning, I mean a very huge warning, big times, guys, because what I was posting earlier, let's go over on Twitter here, is that we are having a huge descending triangle on the 4-hourly candles. We already touched the support 5 times. Let me go into it here. We touched the support 5 times, and you know the golden rule: the more we are touching the support, the weaker it becomes. And the most important question right now is Bitcoin going to follow the statistical likelihood here of 70% for the breakdown? What is the price target? Or is this pattern actually made to fool all the bulls and eventually break out towards the upside? I will be talking about that. I will be telling you exactly how I want to play it. Will I trade it or will I not trade it? Everything in this short condensed video. If you want more of these videos, these short videos targeted directly here towards my price predictions in the immediate short term, all you have to do is go down below, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and leave your favorite comments down, leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section, share the video with your friends. And now let's go straight into the content, because this is actually a very important one. This is actually a very big warning. So, as I have been talking about it earlier, I actually identified this here as a symmetrical triangle, right? It was. But now with this new breakdown, once again confirming the horizontal support, this looks much more than a descending triangle. And the descending triangle has an even lower likelihood to break out towards the upside, whereas the symmetrical triangle with ascending support, descending resistance had something like 60-40 to the downside, because we were bearishly going into it and it is a trend continuation pattern. However, a descending triangle in a downtrend is even more bearish. I would put a 70% likelihood on the breakdown towards the downside. Am I going to short it? No. For a very specific reason, and I want to talk about that here. So let's go over here. As you can see, we touched it multiple times. The breakout is literally imminent. Within the next few days, we have to break out. And of course, let's first of all take out the price targets to see, do we see confluence? Where are the next supports? Is it likely that we are reaching these price targets? And let's start with the bearish price target. If we are going lower here, you can see that the bearish price target brings us approximately, really depends on where you take it from. If you take it from more from the left-hand side, it's 36,300. Here you have 36,000. Regardless, I do not think, of course I could be wrong here, I do not think that we are going to reach this bearish price target here, for the simple reason that, let me take out the Fibonacci golden pocket. From the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom, you can see that actually way before we are getting in here the Fibonacci golden ratio, the 61.8 to the 65, so 37,500 to 38,300. This is my worst case scenario here for Bitcoin. Of course, it's very possible that we are going low, but this is my personal worst case scenario. And also there is so much volume coming in exactly at these price levels. Also, if we were to pull out the VPVR here on the higher time frames, you would see there's a lot of support coming in. So if we are breaking down, I could imagine a big wick to the downside with a lot of volume, people being shaken out, waiting for 36, but then eventually being supported at the golden pocket and breaking towards the upside again. So of course I am saying yes, we can break down. I just do not think though that we are going to reach the price target. Number one, if we were going to break towards the upside, let me quickly take this out here again. If we were to break out towards the upside, and let me take this price target here, actually this is the most conservative one we can take, then you can see the price target would lead us approximately to the 47,800 to 48,000 US dollar levels, very close to our bump and run reversal pattern, which I would call right now invalidated, but it would be at least very, very close to that specific price target. So now the question is, what do I personally think where the price is going to go? How do I personally plan to trade this? If we are breaking down, I'm definitely not going to short. What I will do is I will scale in with extremely low leverage and put limit buy orders, limit long orders at the 38,300 US dollar levels. If we go lower, I would scale down here, I would scale higher the lower we go up until the Fibonacci golden pocket, and then put a very tight stop loss if Bitcoin were to break it and close below. If we are breaking towards the upside, of course I would be trading it. I would wait for a volume confirmed breakout, for a confirmation of the previous resistance, which is then turning into support, and I would trade it all the way higher to 48,000 US dollars, slightly below. This is my game plan right now. Otherwise, I am standing still. I am not trading until the fact is actually going to solidify. Until then, I am not going to trade. If you want to trade, you can do it. I would just hold still and be careful right now. You can already, though, claim your own bonus, 3,200 US dollars. Go to the pinned comment, claim this bonus right now, and you can get ready when this trade is actually coming. Right now, I would just be a little bit careful, guys, because Bitcoin is here right now, going to wreck a lot of people. So please be a little bit careful with that. Of course, we can get already ready here for the next up and coming trade. And of course, if you want these predictions, these targets, these price and trade alerts in absolute real time at MMCrypto over on Twitter, you can get them in absolute real time. Just go to Twitter, type in MMCrypto. At MMCrypto, the account with 390,000 followers. All other ones are scam. And follow that one. And you will see like daily updates, sometimes hourly updates from my site as well, completely for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing the like button to a new all-time high, potentially 8, 9, or 10,000 likes. I truly appreciate you. We are like the most lovely, most supportive community in the world. That's what I think, if I'm just looking into the comments, if I'm just looking into the engagement. Thank you very much for that, guys. You are a force for good. I'm going to see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And by the way, if you want to see me riding the new electric foilboard, I posted something on Instagram. Follow me over there at MMCrypto with the blue verification checkmark. I'm going to see you over there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.